Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit player notes when you're actually at the tables in cash games or tournaments, or if you're not actually at the tables at that particular time. This is using the desktop app for Pokerstars. So what you want to do is, let's just say that you joined this game and you wanted to write a note on this person. You could go in there, double tap on their name, and then it brings up the notes section and it actually lists this player. But let's say you got the player wrong and you wanted to go to that player. You double tap on their name and that brings up their account here, and you can start typing notes on them. Strong player. You can actually change the color of the note as well. Let's just say that every red player was a very, very strong player, or this one right here, we could change to green. That means weak player. This one here, yellow, could be passive. So we've just created a few different notes within the Pokerstars table just by double tapping on their name. You can change the color, give them their own specific notes. You can write so much more as well in here. But let's just say that you're not at the tables and you wanted to update your notes. You found out another piece of information. You could go in here down to the bottom right, the tools section, open up tools, and then go down to player notes editor, and that's going to launch this window right in here. And as you can see, all the different notes that we've created on the players at that table. You can go in there and actually edit. Very good. You can also change the color or edit player note labels in here as well. Let's just say that you wanted to call the yellow one passive, the red strong, etc. Or delete some of them to say that you didn't even want a blue color. You could just delete that, press OK. And then from there, if you wanted to add another note to a player, you could come in here, and if you've got their exact username, like Paco0077, you could add this, and then give that person, let's just say the pink color, super strong player. From there, that will add some notes to this player without even double clicking on their name on the Pokerstars tables. So yeah guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks.